look really good tonight, people. We are Reckless Love. We come from Finland, and we're here to teach you how to perform and how to enter the stage. Hands up if you like rock and roll.
Es pirms tam, kad viņi mums uzstājās tur mūsu tajā telpā, viss tā baigi dejoja, tur ārdījās, trakoja, bet es biju tik šausmīgi, nu tā emocionāli pārņemta ar tādu abrīnu uz viņiem skatījos, kad man bija tikai, man liekas, viena kustība, es stāvēju un tik... Bet viņi tiešām bija tā kā izkāpuši no 80-iem, bija tā, wow. Neko, riktīgi krūti viņi satricināja go-karti. Jā, man bija tas gods uzkāpt uz skatuves ar viņiem, nodziedāt dziesmeņu, un tas man riktīgi sapurināja, un wow, baigi labi.
That is how you do it. That is absolutely how you do it. I mean, give it all. Give it all to her. I mean, that is so beautiful. I would never thought that any one of you could have done that, and yet you surprised me totally, and I was so entertained. That is what rock and roll is all about. Big round of applause.